So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of RAM overusage even when you are not using anything on your system. Like in my case, if the RAM usage goes 100%, how you can fix that. Now in order to get that fix, it might be a hardware issue if something is not running on your system and it's still consuming. So just simply open the start menu. Here you need to type this uh, prompt, that is Windows Memory Diagnostics. Simply run this software, and here you need to click on this option of restart now and check for problems. Once you click on this option, the process will begin of around 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll notice that a diagnostic report for the RAM will appear in your system. You can easily check it to find out what are the exact issues, and it might fix your memory as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.